Hi, and welcome into our kitchen right here at Daniel Appliance. We are cooking with gas with Liberty Utilities. Cold winter days call for a little pick-me-up. So I thought we'd take our taste buds on a trip to Paris and make a little French onion soup. I've sliced the onions thinly in rings. I think that would make for a great combination with that ooey gooey cheese. Let's head to the stove. First, we're going to turn on our reliable gas to about a medium-low heat, because the first thing we're going to do is cook our onions. To the stick of butter, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Melting that butter took no time at all, so we are ready for the onions. This is about 5 onions, and I use sweet onions. We're going to cook them nice and slow, maybe 30 to 40 minutes. Another highlight of French onion soup is that delicious topping with the toasted baguette and the Gruyere cheese. I'm going to put a little butter on it before I add the cheese. I'm going to generously sprinkle this beautiful Gruyere cheese over the top. Under the broiler it goes. Oh, look at these gorgeous onions. Some crispy ones, some beautiful brown. Oh, lusciousness. I'm going to add some garlic at this point. I'm going to add a little salt, pepper, and some thyme. For your stock, you have a couple of choices. You can make your own, which would be wonderful, or you can buy it in the store in the carton or the can. I made mine with a little water and some better than bouillon. And it really gave us a nice rich broth. We're going to let this simmer a little bit, and then we're going to check on our toast. We have our soup ladled into our big old bowl of French onion soup, and we're going to just finely grate some more Gruyere cheese over the top of it before we add our beautiful toast. Now we're just going to place our toast right on top. And keep in mind, we broiled this bread so the bottom is still fresh and so it can soak up some of that delicious soup. No need for a passport as we take our little trip to Paris with our French onion soup. Let's see how we did. I love it. You're gonna love it too. Give it a try. Thank you, Daniel Appliance. Thank you, Liberty Utilities. And thanks to you for watching. Until next time, be well. The recipes are also available on WRBL.com. Click on Watch, then go to the Our Kitchen tab.